Hello everyone, I am Shweta and welcome to my channel Analytics by Shweta. In today's video, we will learn how to create the infographic icon column chart in Excel. If you see, we have column charts and at the bottom it is represented by an icon. So these categories are A, B, C, D. So you can have any icons over here like departments, countries, and we can represent it by a particular icon. As you increase or decrease the values, this chart automatically updates. However, the icon over here remains static, that is, it doesn't move. So let us see how to create this chart. So first, we go here, we insert a column and we say base and we put it as 30%. This 30% base is where our icon would be present. Next is remaining and you say 1 minus this value over here and you put it down. Let us just format it. Now select these things, go here and insert a stacked column chart. So if you see, a stacked column chart is there. The base is at the bottom, then we have the value and then we have the remaining. Let's go to format data series and adjust the gap width a bit so that the columns are a little bit more thicker. Let's remove the grid lines and we do not require the axis. For this, I will go here. I will select a dark green. For this, I will select a lighter version of gray. Now where these blue portion of the series is there, this is where we want our icon to be created. So I have already created icons over here. How this is created is you go to shapes, you select a rectangle shape and you select it. Next, you create a copy of this. You put it on top over here. Adjust it accordingly. You can say no outline and fill. You put it as whatever fill you have. You can give it a small spacing or a white fill. And then you can insert any icon you require. You go to insert, you go to icons, and for example, we'll just select this. Adjust the size, put it here, and then you group everything together and you have your icon ready. So we would be using these icons which we have created. So select your first icon, copy it, just select the first series and paste it. Select your second icon, just select the second series and paste it. Do the same for the other two as well. Now add data labels to your series. Add data labels. Make it in white color, bold, and increase the size as desired. Let's change these values over here. Let's put it as 75% for the first. So if you see, the first value has increased. Let's put it at 15%. You see the value has decreased, but the icons remain constant. Let's remove the legends also for the time being. And you see, this is a completely dynamic chart. So you can use any kind of icons which you require and make your chart more visually appealing. This is completely dynamic. So value is the column where you are entering the values for these charts. These categories can be your departments, can be countries, can be products, can be anything. So I hope you enjoyed creating this infographic icon column chart in Excel. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.